consider subscribing to the channel if you're new here. I feel like I'm begging y'all at this point because motherfucker I am. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Nah, for real though. Yeah, smash the subscribe button. Drop a thumbs up. Yeah, and comment down below what you thought about the video. Got the fresh cut, motherfucking waves. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Without wave grease. Let me just point that out. These are real. That's good hair. Not that store-bought fuck shit. Damn. Mopar, whatever y'all call me. I can hear you. Why did you stop filming? Why you leave us hanging? About to get to that. Before we get into that, listen, man, subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Y'all have been fucking killing it. Y'all been killing it, man. Like, y'all been fucking killing it. Subs are up, views are up, watch time is up. Yeah, man. So why I haven't been filming? I guess let's just take the shortcut route. But I'm gonna take y'all with me today because I'm gonna do a little vlogging today, run some errands. I need to wash my car. I need to drop something off at the jewelry store, and it's not this. As a matter of fact, let me know what y'all think of this, man. So check that out. You know what I'm saying? Let me get closer so y'all can actually see that bad boy. Hey, man. I proposed to my wife again, you know. But that's the reason why I haven't really been filming. I've been busy trying to, you know, plan that. And yeah, man, did that. Her birthday was the 2nd. Knocked that out. So yeah, man. Yeah, I got a lot to talk to y'all about, I guess. So I'm actually gonna put the video of me proposing in this video. So if you into shit like that, man, I guess this is like your lucky day. And I mean, it is the holiday, you know, that kind of shit is happening. But nonetheless, man, listen, I'm about to get to where I'm going. I'm gonna take y'all with me. We're gonna drop this ring off, get it size, you know what I'm saying? Clean the car, do some other shit. So yo, let's go, man. So also, y'all see my miles per gallon is actually up. Fuel range per tank. Look at the little Porsche right here. Poor man's Porsche. But yo, so I haven't been driving the Sport that much, man. Like, I haven't been doing it often. And I really don't know why I haven't, but I just haven't been doing it, man. I'm keeping it in regular drive mode. Like, I've been doing that lately for like the last week or so. It's starting to grow on me, man. Like, it sounds different. Instead of it being an all-wheel drive, it's rear-wheel drive. And it actually has, this is going to sound crazy to y'all, but I think it has a little bit more get up, man. Well, not floored, but yeah, man. I'm actually going to give y'all a video. It's going to be a comparison video. It's going to be me driving with the paddle shifters in regular drive and then Sport. But let me not forget. I know what y'all have already, you keep asking me, and I see the comments. I read all of them. I'm gonna get my damn exhaust installed, man. It's actually in the back seat right now. It's been sitting there for like 2-3 weeks now, but I'm gonna get that installed, man. But my wife said wait till after Christmas. So I guess a New Year's gift is gonna be me doing my exhaust. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. All right, man. Let's see what this car wash hitting like, cause it's nice as fuck today. Ooh, bitch, ain't packed, player. Oh shit, yeah, it is too. That's what's up. Badass charger though. All right, man. So first errand done. Me Let me step out real quick. I guess while I'm sitting here, man, I'm gonna get into this proposal video. So first, just watch it. Comment below what you thought about it, but just watch it. Then I'll break it down, how it's supposed to go, / how it went. Cause it didn't go according to how I planned that shit in my head. But yeah, man, watch this little clip. It's like a minute or 2 minutes long. Comment below what you thought about it, man. I think it was cool, you know what I'm saying? Cause it was me with the ring and my beautiful wife. So yeah, man, just let me know what you thought about it, man. But let's just get right into it. Me too. All right. So your gift for your birthday. All right. First of all, it's me.
Yeah.
Secondly, I gotta. Oh, fuck, I'm about to go. I gotta show you this one. One of my best friends, my homie, better half, rock, everything. Almost 10. Let's keep it going. I love you. Happy birthday. Even though we got the days, I still love you. And I still want to spend the rest of the day with you. Will you marry me again?
Yes.
Don't Disclaimer though, the ring is definitely too small. Definitely too damn small. So I'm gonna have to put it on the finger. It's not gonna fit. Her best friend, when she started recording, I was super nervous. Super nervous. Like straight up nervous. As if this was the first time or she was some random girl. I don't know why that even happened like that. But in my head, I had a perfect layout. I had it from when we left the house to the place that was reserved to what the waiter would say, well, waitress, because it was going to be a chick, to how she brought the ring out, to how she handed it in front of my wife with her meal, to how I actually got down on one knee, to yeah, it was a fucking plan. It was a plan. It didn't come out that fucking way. I got nervous. I didn't drink that night, actually. My wife was drunk. First flaw of the video, she was drunk. Should have did it when she was sober. Let's fast forward a little bit. I got down on one knee, almost fell getting out of the fucking chair. Probably didn't catch that because I kind of played that off. Definitely almost fell. And I got like really bad knees, so that actually hurt to get down on one knee. Move on. Let's move forward. Skip that. All right. Next, I started talking to her, you know, giving her my speech. In my head, I had the perfect speech. I didn't want to write nothing down. I didn't want to do that. I wanted this to come from me, genuinely from me. Thinking back on it now, should have wrote some shit down, should have rehearsed it. It just wouldn't have been as original, but it would have went better. So yeah, man, I'm going through the motions. I'm saying everything that, you know, I was actually thinking and I've been thinking this whole time we've been married. So that's cool. I mean, I don't really fault myself there, but yeah, I get through all of that and she starts crying, you know. She had makeup on, didn't help. Baby, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. But you look really good that night, so whatever. Move on. Now, the part that really, when I went back and looked at the video, and I didn't think about this when I did it, the part when I put the ring on her finger, if you look at this video and you go back, if you pay attention, you see I put it on her pinky. So, jewelry stores, for those that don't know, those that are not aware, you're gonna learn something new today. Jewelry stores keep a size 7 in the store. In terms of rings, they keep a size 7. The only way you're gonna get something bigger is if it's a pre-owned ring. And Vera Wang, the Vera Wang collection, those actually come as a 6 standard. Just so y'all know. But yeah, the ring was a 7. Her finger is definitely not a 7. But the ring, I had to call around all of Colorado to get this fucking ring, and the one store had it. It just so happens that same night there was a fucking blizzard going on where the ring was located, so I had to drive through a fucking blizzard to go and get this ring. Scary shit, very scary shit, you know, never doing that again. But looking back on it now, man, like honestly looking back on it, right, it was cool, man, because the moment was authentic. It was legit. It wasn't staged is a bad word. It wasn't, I don't even know what to say, but it wasn't, I don't know. I'll just edit this. It was authentic. It was legit. Like, it came from the heart. Like, it was legit. Spur of the moment slash this is me, this is how I feel about you, and life goes on. But yeah, man, other than that, you see I'm in a different uniform because it's a different day. This video was done in 3 days, different segments of 3 days. But other than that, y'all, listen, man, I'm at work, if you can't tell. I'm about to go into work. Other than that, man, listen, consider subscribing to the channel if you're new here. I feel like I'm begging y'all at this point because motherfucker I am. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Not for real. Yeah, smash the subscribe button. Drop a thumbs up. Yeah, and comment down below what you thought about the video. And until the next time, because I'm back to filming, baby. I'm back to vlogging. I'm back to doing everything. Listen, till the next time, y'all be safe. Stay out the way. Y'all have a very, very, very good Christmas. Safe holidays. Love to you and yours. I'm out of this thing, man. We out.